Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about machine learning in unit 1, machine learning process and its layers. We are going to see in this video now. So these are the various stages involved in machine learning workflow, and this is also a machine learning process. So we have 6 phases. One is data collection, data preparation, and choosing learning algorithm and training a model and evaluating model and predictions. So these are the 6 stages involved in machine learning process. So you may consider any example like students management system or departmental store management system or any prediction algorithms, medical diagnosis, or any satellite generated process or works or projects. So you may be in any field in order to solve the problem by using machine learning problems or algorithms. At that case you are supposed to involve in these phases. So initially data collections. So whichever problem you are working for related to that, you are supposed to collect the data. For example, if you are maintaining a student database, so you are for a college, for example in our for SNS we are maintaining a student database. So we are supposed to collect from students that which department we are supposed to maintain a college level database, and it consists of all the departments, UG and including UG and PG, and year wise databases, all the students database right from register number till the end semester result. So those databases are supposed to collect. So this is collection of database. For example, if you are using or if you are taking a medical diagnosis or cancer diagnosis, for that you are supposed to collect the database which is relevant to that particular cancer related databases. So it is in collection, this is the collection phase. So it depends upon your problem, you are supposed to collect the data for your problem. So that is what data collection is. And for data collection also you have a few types of data collection. One is manually generated, another one is machine generated data. So these type of data is also available or supposed to collect for your problem. And for data pre-processing, so for pre-processing your raw data will not be used for your creating model, because it may consist of irrelevant data or duplicates of data or empty cells will be there. So we are supposed to rectify all the problems before we are sending the data into the processing model. So data preparation have to be done by doing all the things. By for example, we can remove the we have to remove the duplicate values, or we have to remove the noises in the data, and then irrelevant data or frequent data. All the things are eliminated or processed by preparing your data. We are by doing this we are supposed to prepare the data in order to pass the data into your model. So next, after preparation, the preparation plays a major role in order to give the accuracy of your result, high accuracy in order to give for your model. And for choosing learning algorithms, so based upon your problem you are supposed to choose which algorithm you are supposed to choose. For example, if you are doing with if you are know the input value and what might be the output, then you are supposed to go with supervised learning. If you don't know what were the inputs and what category of inputs are you are giving, so you can go with unsupervised learning. If you are working with feedback formats or reinforcement learning can be used. So if your case with your if you are coming with your output may be categorical value, then you are supposed to go with classifications. Inside the classification also we have a number of methods, so whichever is suitable for you, that you can choose. And also if you want to create a new algorithm to enroll work for your problem, that also can be written by you. So choosing a learning algorithm, correct learning algorithm, this plays a major role. After choosing this, you are training your model. that is your system. You can consider any model system, your robot or your human is all like one and the same. So for example, for human case, you are training the child, right? That is a training model. Okay, so you are training the model, that human is a model. So inside that we are going to create a model. For example, in my mind, if data are paused, for example, I have a bunch of basket of fruits. I'm training my mind that this is apple. If it is in red color and it is in this shape, then it is apple. And if it is in orange color and it is in this oval shape or that orange shape, then it will be an orange. If suppose it is in green color and it is looks like guava shape, then it will be an guava. So these features will be trained in my mind. So that trained model will be called as best model or model we are using. That model alone we are training. That model is used for your further process. For example, after 6 months, after 6 months you are showing one apple, and then I have to suggest, then I have to tell it is an apple. For example, if you are showing green apple, then my mind will get confused whether it is in shape of apple but it shows a green color. I don't know which category it comes under. So because my mind is not trained to the particular scenario. So training, in order to give the accurate result, I have to train the model uh, with more number of datas, with good datas, quality datas. So we are passing the training model. Then we are supposed to do the evaluation model. Evaluation model is something but testing the model. I told you right now, by showing the apple, I am checking whether that particular child or myself is suggesting or finding it is an apple or not. So that is an evaluation. For evaluation also we have a few metrics like accuracy, precision and all that we will see by the next video. And then predictions. By evaluating this model, the further we are our model have to predict whether this category, this particular data belongs to which category. Like this we are supposed to develop a model. So this is what workflow for machine learning algorithm, and these are the conditions. In next video we will show about evaluation metrics alone in detail. Thank you.